Welcome. If you've ever wanted to send a message in a Telegram group without making anyone's phone buzz or beep, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to send a text message without sound in a Telegram group, perfect for those late-night ideas or when you just want to be considerate of others' quiet time. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, navigate to the group where you want to send your message. This could be a work group, a family chat, or any community you're part of. Now tap the message box at the bottom and type out your message as you normally would. Maybe it's a quick update, a question, or just something you want to share without causing a disturbance. Here's the key step. Instead of just tapping the send button, press and hold it. You'll notice a small menu pops up with a few options. One of those options is send without sound. Go ahead and tap on that. That's it. Your message will be delivered to the group, but no one's phone will make a sound or vibrate, even if they haven't enabled Do Not Disturb. They'll still see your message in their notifications, but you won't risk waking anyone up or interrupting their meeting. This feature is especially handy in busy groups or when you want to be thoughtful about others' schedules. It works on both iOS and Android devices, and you can use it for any message, whether it's text, a photo, or even a file. So next time you have something to say but want to keep things quiet, just remember, type your message, press and hold the send button, and choose send without sound. It's a simple way to communicate without causing a commotion. Thanks for watching and enjoy your peaceful messaging on Telegram.